Well, what are question words? Questions which are asked to get a specific response or to get certain information are WH questions or question words. In other words, you need to get information of someone, you always have to ask questions. So, what are these questions like? The first one is where. It talks about place. So I could say, where do you live? Where is the restaurant? So when you want to know the place, you always use the word where. The second one is the question when. The question when is always asked when you want to know the time of a particular event. That's when you ask the question when. For example, you could say, when did you get up? So it always talks about time. Why? When do we use why? Many a times we want to know as to why something happened. That is when you use the word, the question why. For example, why is she late? Why are you sad? Why do we cry? Then we have an important question, which, that talks about things in particular. So we could say, which colors would you prefer? Which dress is good? Which subject do you like? When we want to get information about things, then we ask question which. Our next question is what. Now the question what gives you information about an object, an idea, or an action. If we are talking about an object, I could say, what is she doing? What is she eating? What is your number? We talk about an idea. We are talking about a specific or a plan. It is an important thing that a person is doing. So it could be an object or an action. And then you have the question called who. This is always used to know about a person or people. So you always use the word who when we are talking about a singular person or people, which would be the plural form of a person. So I could say, who is the boy on the second bench? Who is he? That's when I talk about a person, a singular person. Well, that's all from me on WH questions. Hope you have understood where and how to use who, when, what, where, and which. If you have any doubt, get back to the video and listen carefully. Goodbye, be indoors, and stay safe.